What happens after another playing beer pong? My man Justin, my man Bill, my man Randy. How you doing? You know, we're just hanging out with some chicks, and we're playing some beer pong, and they are. They're at the point. All these girls are roommates, so this is Jen.
Hey, we got Jen. We got.
This is Mia, bitch. That's the other roommate. And this is Kim. Kimmy. All right. Oh my goodness.
And then we got.
Andrea. What are you doing, dude?
Zoom in on Chester. What's going on?
What are you doing, dude? Let the girl go.
No, Jen says I'm leaving. We got Jen says I'm leaving.
Wow, he's got the. Damn. All right, Andrea, see, you guys are all roommates. We're just here hanging out, you know, so. Something fell on your foot all four, baby. Oh, look at that. So you girls are all roommates, and then we got Randy, Bill, and you guys are like.
I got 3 balls.
3 balls, what, from beer pong?
Yeah.
Yep. You lost it. What happened there? Where are you going? This is what happens, man, after beer pong.
Roll them, baby.
Roll them. You gotta roll them a little.
I gotta ask. What's this stuff?
That's beer.
You sure?
Yeah.
That's beer. This is what I want. Right here. Alright, y'all. Well, look up Hot Party on YouTube, and you'll find this video. All right.